Hello, children. I have a marvelous tale to share that explores what happens when a heart hungers for more than it truly needs. So settle in and find a cozy spot because this curious story of grand desires and unexpected lessons is about to begin. The proverb of this story is: when the pond is completely filled with water, the frog is unable to croak. When the pond is completely filled with water, the frog is unable to croak. And the title of the story is The Greedy Hornbill of Uzo Forest. Once upon a time, deep in the heart of the Igbo land, where the rainforest of Uzo stretched thick and green, the trees rose like elders with mossy bears, their canopies locked together so tight that sunlight only fell in golden coins to the forest floor. Streams cut through the roots like silver veins, goggling over smooth stones, feeding the wild yams and kola trees. In this forest lived Ikokwu, a great hornbill with a beak as yellow as ripe palm fruit. Ikokwu was wise, but he loved one thing more than wisdom: honey. Sweet dark honey from the wild hives hidden high in the iroko trees. One dry season, the rains came late, the streams ran low, and the animals gathered once a day at Nkita stream to drink, just enough to fill their bellies.
Drinking too much will dry the stream for our brothers,
said Mbe the tortoise. All agreed except Ikokwu. High in the oldest Iroko, Ikokwu found a hive so large it hummed like thunder. He ate until his belly dragged. Day after day, he returned.
Why stop at enough when the forest is full of more? Ha ha ha!
Soon, he drank from the streams not once but 10 times, splashing and playing till the banks turned to mud. He plucked more fruits than he could carry, letting them rot under the ukwa tree. Then the heavy rains came, as they always do in the Igbo land. The sky opened and the forest roared. Nkita stream, already muddied and trampled by Okoko's excesses, could not hold. It swelled, burst its banks, and swept through the low grounds. The wild yams drowned, the honey tree grew sick from too much water, and the great Iroko with Okoko's precious hive, its roosts loosened by his daily climbing, and the flood gave way. Crash! The tree fell, hive and all, into the raging water. For 7 days, Ikokwu flew hungry. No honey, no dry perch, no friends to share with, for they too were rebuilding from the flood. Finally, old Mbe found him shivering on a broken branch. Ikokwu, Mbe said,
the forest gives and the forest also takes.
1 sip from the stream is life. 10 sips for pleasure is mud. 1 comb of honey is sweet. The whole hive is ruin. Too much of everything, even good things, turned to bad. From that day, Ikokwu drank once, ate once, and when he found honey, he called the monkeys and the sunbirds to share. And Uzo forest, with its tall trees and singing streams, kept its balance. That's the end of my story. The moral of the story is: too much of everything is bad. I hope we all learned something today. Chappy! Whoa!